Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products so you don't end up with buyer's remorse. Today, we're diving into the wild world of mini drones. On the left, we have the RADCLO mini drone, or as I like to call it, RADCLO the Magnificent. And on the right, we have the istone a 5 drone, aka istone the Invincible. Let's see which one will take flight and which one will crash and burn. Metaphorically, of course. First up, let's talk about the cameras. Both RADCLO and istone come with 1080p adjustable FPV cameras. But here's the kicker. RADCLO gives you a 90 degrees manually adjustable lens. Istone, on the other hand, boasts a 90 degrees remote control adjustable lens. So, if you're the type who likes to control everything from your phone while sipping a latte, istone might be your go-to. But if you enjoy getting your hands dirty, well, not literally, RADCLO's Plus both let you share your epic aerial selfies on social media. Because if you didn't post it, did it even happen? Reviewers note that RADCLO's camera provides clear pictures, but can be tricky in windy conditions, while istone's camera quality has been criticized for being grainy and unreliable. Now, let's talk about flight time. RADCLO promises a solid 22 minutes with its two 800 mAh batteries. But wait for it, drumroll please, istone swoops in with a whopping 30 minutes of flight time. That's 8 extra minutes to impress or annoy your neighbors. If you can't make a decent video in 30 minutes, maybe it's time to consider a new hobby. According to reviews, RADCLO's flight time is generally reliable, while istone's extended flight time is a notable advantage despite some connectivity issues. Ease of use is crucial, especially for those of us who have trouble navigating a microwave, let alone a drone. RADCLO offers one-key takeoff, landing, and stable altitude hold. It's like having a drone with training wheels. Istone, not to be outdone, also has beginner-friendly features like headless mode and hand gesture photo, video. So if you've ever wanted to feel like a Jedi, istone is calling your name. Both drones make it super easy to fly, but only one will make you feel like a tech wizard. Reviewers have praised RADCLO for being durable and easy to control, while istone has mixed reviews due to some control issues. Let's not forget about portability. RADCLO comes with a larger body size, but includes a handy carrying case. It's like bringing a small suitcase to your aerial adventures. Istone, however, is the Marie Kondo of drones. Compact, foldable, and can fit in your pocket. If you're the type who loses your keys in a giant tote bag, you might appreciate RADCLO's larger size. But if you prefer to travel light, istone wins this round hands down. Reviewers appreciate RADCLO's carrying case for added convenience, while istone's compact design is a big hit for those on the go. Alright, let's talk numbers. RADCLO is priced at a budget-friendly $62. It's the Walmart of drones, affordable and reliable. Istone, on the other hand, will set you back $119. It's like the Apple of drones, sleek, high-tech, and makes you feel a bit fancy. If your wallet's feeling a little light, RADCLO might be your best bet. But if you're ready to splurge, istone's got all the bells and whistles. Reviews indicate that RADCLO offers great value for money, while istone's higher price point comes with expectations of better performance and features. Summarizing the reviews, RADCLO is praised for its durability, ease of use, and value for money, making it a great option for beginners and families. On the other hand, istone receives mixed reviews, with some users loving its advanced features and extended flight time, but others facing issues with camera quality and control. Overall, RADCLO is seen as reliable and budget-friendly, while istone is noted for its premium features but has some reliability concerns. So there you have it, folks. RADCLO the Magnificent versus istone the Invincible. Both drones have their pros and cons, and the best choice really depends on what you're looking for. Are you a budget-conscious newbie? RADCLO's your guy. Are you a high-flying, tech-savvy adventurer? Istone's got your back. Either way, you'll be soaring through the skies in no time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Check out the product links in the description. Fly smart, buy smart, and we'll see you in the next video.